Hola amigos! Hola! Welcome to my farm, mi granja. Today's lesson is all about the granja, and you are going to get to learn all the names of the animals. But first, let's review all the things that you know already. So let's get ready to do our counting. Get your counting hands ready. Here we go. Uno, dos, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Muy bien. Alrighty, amigos. Let's practice our weather now. Get your weather fingers ready. Okay, say it after me. Hace sol. Llueve. Hace viento. Hace calor. Hace frío. Nieva. Nublado. Muy bien. Alrighty, amigos. That's very good. I hope you've been practicing your Spanish. All right, so today's lesson, my friends, is on all the animals at the farm. So we are going to look at some pictures of animals and we're going to practice saying them together. So when I show you the card, I'm going to say the word and then you say the word after me. Listos? Ready? All right, here we go. Our first farm animal is... What is it going to be? Vaca. Can you say vaca? Our next word is cerdo. Our next farm animal is oveja. Then we have pato, caballo, conejo, gallina, pavo. Alrighty, amigos. Now, I am going to ask you, when I hold up the card, I want you to make the sound of the animal. So I'm going to hold the card up and ask you what the animal sounds like. Are you ready? What does the vaca say? Moo. What does the pato say? Quack, 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 quack. What does the oveja say? Bah. Oh, this is one of my favorites. What does the cerdo say? Oink, 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 oink. How about the gallina? What does the gallina say? Cluck, 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 cluck. And what does the pavo say? Gobble, 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 gobble. Muy bien. Alrighty, amigos. Now our next activity means you are going to have to stand up. You're going to move around. So I am going to show you a picture of an animal and I'm going to say the word and I want you to pretend you're that animal. So when I show you the picture and say the word, I want you to move around like you are that animal. Ready? Caballo. What does the caballo do? Caballo. Jump around, gallop around like the caballo. Very good. All right, let's see if you can do the next animal friend. Can you move around like, oh my, can you move around like a pato? Waddle, 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 waddle. Show me how you waddle. Move around like a pato. There you go. All right, oh my, let's see. Can you move around and show me what a cerdo does? What does the cerdo do? The cerdo rolls around in the mud. Can you roll on the ground? Roll across your room, just like the cerdo. All right, we have one more. We have the gallina. Get your wings out. Get your wings out just like the gallina. Cluck, 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 cluck. Go around. You have to peck around on the ground. Peck, 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 peck. Peck with your beak, just like the gallina does. Very good. All right, amigos. Now, when I show you the animal, we're going to say it again, but this time I'm using my little play toy friends. I'm not going to show you the word, so I'm going to hold it up and see if you remember the word. Ready? What is this? I'll give you a clue. It says moo. Do you remember the word in Spanish? Vaca. All right, here comes our next friend. Look at this friend. This one says oink, oink, oink. Do you remember the word in Spanish? Cerdo. How about this friend? Nee. Caballo. Can you say that? Caballo. Oh, how about this friend? Quack, 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 quack. Pato. Oh, look at this. This sounds like ba, ba. Let's say it with Miss Faith. Oveja. And one more friend. Look at the turkey. Do you remember this word in Spanish? Pavo. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Very nice, amigos. Now, I hope that you will practice all those words in Spanish, and I hope that you practice all your counting and remember your weather words and keep practicing your Spanish so that when we see each other again, it will be so much fun to speak Spanish together. Adios. Adios.